Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am Anne, also known as Glamnanne here on YouTube, Instagram, I don't know, the internet. Thanks for being here. I'm excited that you're here because today is super cool because we're gonna be doing a super duper quick, super easy, like 5 to 8 minute drugstore makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is like a 5 to 8 minute look right here, people. If you do end up liking this video, you can give it a big like down there. And if you like me and you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified anytime I post. All right, let's get into the tutorial. So of course, with any makeup look, you want to start off with clean hands because I don't know what you touched today, but it could have been gross. Maybe you didn't even know it was gross and it was gross, so wash your hands. All right, pretty simple, easy step one. I told you guys, it's easy. So first I want to even out my skin tone like really quickly, but I also don't want to like go in with something really full coverage and like have to mess with it. So the trick for this is you can create your own tinted moisturizer by mixing a foundation and a moisturizer. So if you're going to be out in the sun at all, I would definitely recommend mixing with like an SPF or having your foundation have SPF in it because you want to protect your beautiful skin from the sun. But today I'm not going to be out in the sun, so I'm just going to be mixing with a normal moisturizer. So this one you actually can't get at the actual drugstore. This is the only thing in this video that is not drugstore, but you can get it at Ulta, and it is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. All right, so what I'm going to do is take a little dollop of daisy, take a little dollop of this and put it on the back of my hand, which is going to be your mixing palette. And then I'm going to take my foundation. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and this is the shade M70. I'm just going to pump that directly on top of the moisturizer that I put down. And then you're just going to mix them together. So you just want to mix them until they are one. This is a little bit messy, and what you could do is you could put you could pre-make this for yourself and just put it in like a little tiny container of any kind. I don't even know. Like they have like those sample things at Sephora, and you could just like ask for one and then put this in there. I don't know, just ideas. All right, so this is what it looks like. We've got it on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my finger, on both fingers, rub it together and start to apply. And I'm just gonna use my fingers to do this. And because there's moisturizer in it, it makes it super easy to just pop it on really quickly. Please ignore my nails if you can. Thank you so much. And make sure you go all the way out to your ears and down your neck so we don't have any kinds of lines happening any place. But literally this makes it so fast and so easy to put on. You're literally done in seconds. Let me know down below if you guys have ever mixed a moisturizer with a foundation before. I'm very curious to know if that is something you guys have ever done. And if you found that like there are parts that are a little uneven, you can just take your brush, foundation brush, and literally just quickly go over everything to make sure things are blended out well. All right, so after you're done with that, I highly recommend wiping off your hand right away because let me tell you, it can get everywhere and anywhere that you think it couldn't get, it will get there. So wipe your hand off, people. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with a concealer. Because my foundation is super light, I'm gonna really kind of conceal around my eyes and a little bit in my T-zone just to like have a little bit more coverage. So this is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Soft Matte Concealer. And to be honest, as you can see at the top, that little white sticker is where the name of it used to be. So I can't tell you the shade of this, unfortunately. And it doesn't say the shade anywhere else. But this is the Rimmel concealer, and I use this all the time. I'm going to take that underneath my eyes and kind of pull downwards. Between my eyebrows here, down my nose a little bit, above my lips, and a little on the chin. Then just gonna take my foundation brush and just quickly blend all of that out. Now I'm going to quickly go in with a bronzer. This is the Milani Dolce bronzer. And this is going to help kind of set everything a little bit more so it stays locked in, and obviously bronze up your face a little bit. And what you want to do is just work in this 3 shape. So on your forehead, underneath your cheekbone, and then onto your chin. And then I like to blend down my neck too. And I'm talking like just really quick, just to kind of give your face a little bit of a sun-kissed look. Obviously go in and do as much as you want to or feel comfortable doing for your skin and face. I also like to hit my nose too just a little bit because it helps set it, and it also kind of like gives that little tan effect. I'm also actually going to take that bronzer and like a small flat brush, any brush you have, literally anything that's just smaller than this giant bronzer brush, and run that along my lash line, literally just along my lash line. And this will just create a little bit of depth for your eyes and also help set that concealer a little bit more. I also like to go underneath a little bit too, just to give my eyes that roundedness. Alright, so next up is blush, and I know actually a lot of people that like don't wear a lot of makeup sometimes like don't love wearing blush, but I really think it like pulls the whole look together and makes you look like really alive, awake, and just like ready for the day. So the blush I'm going to be using today is this Pixie Glow Cake in Pink Champagne Glow. And this actually has, like it says, a little bit of a glow to it, so it's perfect because it will add a little bit of glow to my face so I don't even have to go in with a highlight. Using the same product to do different things on your face is definitely going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to look through anything to find what you need. It's super fast and super easy. And you can see that glow looking cute. I feel like the blush totally transforms my face. Like, I love it. All right, guys, we are almost done. I'm going to quickly do my brows. That is like the hardest part for me because my brows take so long if I'm gonna like really do them. So I'm gonna take the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Soft Blonde. And I'm gonna brush through my brow hairs so that there isn't any foundation or whatever in there to begin with. And then my trick, especially when you don't really have eyebrows, if you have eyebrows, you could skip this step, to be honest. Like, you could just be like, okay, I already have eyebrows, go to the next step, but I don't, and I do need like a little something. So what I like to do is run the brow pencil through my brow hairs like this, back and forth, and literally just fill in where I actually have brows to begin with. Brush them through. And like you can see, like it already looks so much better. So I'm gonna move on to the next eyebrow and then I'll go in and kind of like fine tune. But when I'm in a rush, this is what I do. So what I'm gonna do is just quickly go into my arch a little bit to kind of define it. When I'm in a hurry, I literally give myself like 30 seconds for this whole process. So I go pretty quick. Sometimes I get really carried away with my brows and I literally have to tell myself to stop because I don't have time. Then I'm just going to take the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Clear Brow Gel. It looks like this. And just quickly run that through my brows. This will help them look like they like are supposed to be where they are and look a little less filled in. So super quickly, if you have time, I like to curl my lashes just because it just adds that little zhuzh for them so they go straight up and do what I want them to. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. And I really like this waterproof mascara. It really has worked for me. It has a brush very similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascaras. And I think it works really well and makes my lashes look bomb. Lashes literally pull everything together. Makes me look like I have a face. So the last step, of course, is lips, and you can do whatever you feel comfortable with. You don't wear lipstick, don't wear lipstick. You like gloss, wear gloss. You don't like anything, don't wear anything. You like chapstick, do that. But I like lip color and things. So I'm gonna go in with CoverGirl's Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick in the shade 105, or maybe the shade is called Gelful, I don't know. Just kind of a nude pink shade, and it's gonna pop on perfectly and really make everything just like come together completely. And what I like to do when I don't want my lip to be too pronounced, I take a chapstick beforehand, apply it all over my lips, and then when I go in with my lipstick or gloss or whatever it is, it goes on, number one, a lot smoother, and then number two, I can kind of spread it around because of the chapstick, and it won't look so like harsh, if that makes sense. And to be real, this step doesn't usually happen till like I'm in the car on the way to wherever I'm going. So that is literally it for this whole look. I feel like it looks so good. It's super duper duper fast and just kind of gives you a healthy glow. And I swear I feel like the foundation mixed with the moisturizer is my favorite part because it gives you like the evenness that you're looking for. Like my skin is tan on my body in the summer, but my face is not. So it really evens out my skin tone, but it also makes my skin look so much like actual skin and not like a bunch of foundation. And because we didn't really set anything with like translucent powder, it doesn't look powdery. It literally just looks like skin. It looks so good. And I really, really can't wait for you guys to try this. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. And if you like me and you want to see more videos like this, then you can subscribe to my channel, and then you can hit the bell button down there to be notified anytime that I post. I had so much fun making this video for you guys because really this is stuff that I actually do in my life for my makeup. Like I'm not always glam. I'm mostly not glam. I'm mostly like this or nothing. So it's super fast and super easy, and I hope it helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. I am so happy to be back here on YouTube and making more videos for you guys. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.